Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today is April 16th, 2025. It is 1:35 p.m. So we do have some different devices on the system for system test 6. So this is going to be system test 6. So anyways, what do we have on system test 6 for today? And over here we have, on zone 1, we have my notifier BG10 pole station, and they also no longer make these pole stations. And I don't know when they discontinued it, but it's a very neat, unique pole station. And now they came with BG12s and stuff like that, which is the modern versions of these pole stations. Up here we have my System Sensor 2400TH, which is a thermo detector. So, and this one has a heat detector built on it. So this little disc detects heat, and the inside of here detects smoke. So this is both a smoke detector and a heat detector. And we're also, well, I don't know if this is fixed temperature detector. If it is, then I'm not going to really test the heat detector today. Sorry guys, but I'll do it with a can of smoke. So for the next device, we have my Gentex Commander 3 GES3-24WR, which is the remote strobe version of the Gentex Commander 3s, which I have over here behind the glass in this cabinet right here. As you can see, I have 3 Gentex Commander 3s and a Commander 2 and a Commander 4. And I know there's my system sensor mass, but that's only 12 volts DC. I was skeptical to use that on the system for this test, but the problem is it's 12 volts DC, but the system puts out 24 volts DC. So I decided to use this original mass with the 980A strobe, because this is the 24 volt DC mass that I have for right now. And this is a system sensor. This is an SS24, I believe. It should say on the label somewhere. Yes, it says, I don't know if you could see the label, but you could see it better than I can. SS24, that's right. There we go. I got the model number. So, and the camera just blurred a little bit. Okay, now we're going to test the system for today. Are you guys ready? And the strobe on this thing is set for 75 candela, as you can see in the window right there. In that little window. So anyways, let's get started. Anyways, here we go. 3, 2, 1. As you may tell, the strobe on this thing is not very bright at all. It does flash very slow and not too bright, but it was kind of hard to see on the camera. As you can see, this strobe pretty much was taking over the whole show, so it's pretty much taken over the show, but it is brighter than this strobe because this strobe is frosted, but that's a clear view strobe. So let's go ahead and reset the pole station, position my key, All right, pull station is reset. Make sure it's closed. Yes, it is. We can go ahead and reset the system. Okay, now let's go ahead and test the smoke detector, or we can use the test switch on it, because I believe the test switch works on this thing. So make sure my hearing protection is on, and let's hit the test switch. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was loud. So anyways, yep, the tone that this thing is set on is the 800 Hertz continuous tone, and that's one of the 8 tones that the system sensor mask can do. And that's basically all it is. And there's also another versions of these masses, even in the 80A line and the non-80A line. There's also system sensor MAEHs as well, which does mechanical tones instead of sounder tones, but probably not going to get one because that alarm is super, super rare, and that product was discontinued in 1997. So I'll probably not be able to get one because a lot of them have not popped up on eBay for a while. So, sorry guys, but at least we got what we have. As you can see, I collected a lot of vintage stuff over the past 9 years I've been collecting fire alarms. So anyways, let's go ahead and reset the system. Okay, we're back to normal. Well, that was System Test 6. I hope you liked it. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And thank you for so much for over 50 subscribers, and I greatly appreciate it, so you guys deserve this test. When I saw the channel of 50 subscribers, you guys deserve this video. So anyways, if you want to see more, please continue subscribing. Thank you. And help me support this fire alarm community. So anyways, that's it.